O, diba ang ganda? Hello, ka-ladies! Join me on this ride today. Mangita tasang pwede katuan sa Valentine's Day. Tara, sa Murcia.
Remember the house where I was born. Baby, you don't know me. Baby, you don't know. I'll show you all the stars I used to hide. No one ever seemed to realize. Baby, you will know me. Baby, you will know.
So here we are, 𝗣𝗵𝗶𝗵𝗍, just right after Blumentritt, and ari kita sa proper Pandanon, diri lang sa Murcia. Wow, nice kay kita ang unang customer sa buong aga. Good morning! So let's check this out. They open at 6:30 in the morning. Timing gid pagkadto namon. And then dugay-dugay may nag-alabot naman nga iban. Yay! Latanawan nyo bala guys. O diba? Tanan nga makita nyo. Tanan gid. Hindi na iyas ang tagiya di. Diba katahom? Doon no bala? Dari lang na sa Murcia. Nice. Look at that. I don't know kung ako lang, pero for some reason, nature has a way of healing. Diba? Medyo kalbo lang galing, but then it's still beautiful. Timing, gini siya katuan, especially for Valentine's Day, ka-ladies. Not only nga barato lang for entrance of 20 pesos, they also serve food and coffee. And then you will have this magical view. Love it. So what are you waiting for? Lagaw na. Kalapit sini. Updan to pa ka. There you go. Thank you so much for joining me today. Till next time.